Let it rain. Under my umbrella, rain hitting all around. Getting wet anyway, so I take it down. I really don't mind. It's been a hot day, and the rain seems to wash all my blues away. Rain covers my face like tears, but they are of joy, not of pains or fears. Into every life, they say, some rain must fall. But I'll not complain. The sun always shines brighter after the rain. And as I said, it's been a very hot day. And this cool, refreshing rain was sorely needed anyway. So let it rain. Let it rain. By the gods, let it pour. We're standing here at this moment, this lucky fool in the rain. Honestly, I swear, I wouldn't ask for anything more.